What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here to the videos on the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification. Keep up to date with the builds. So guys, it's been a few weeks. We've been flat out at work. The weather's been incredible in Ireland. So when weather happens like that, you take a few days to yourself, the family, spend a bit of time with them and actually enjoy it, because 99% of the time in Ireland, it's absolutely pissing rain. If you've never been to Ireland, you'll never see weather like it. We could have 4 seasons in one day. Sometimes it's snowing, raining and sunny in the same day. It's incredible weather. It's really good when it's really hot out. Like last week and the week before, we had nearly 30 degrees of weather. And in Ireland, that kind of heat, we are not built for 30 degrees weather. We build our houses to keep the heat in, to keep the cold out. Not when it's really hot, you have nowhere to hide. So anyway guys, we're down here to do another bit on the Mini. I really want to get this Mini done. It's still my head in, sitting in the garage. But let's have a look how she sits now. So don't mind any of the hardware. I still need to take this front lip off, put the beading around and put all new hardware. I do have nice shiny hardware, but other than that, the front end is complete. The bonnet is lacquered, the roof is lacquered. I will start sanding the car in a few days. Aaron still has to come down and lacquer these parts. He's been flat out as well. He went on a little holiday with the kids as well, so he's been busy, and while I was in work and the days he had off, he was doing this. So guys, the welding on the rusty Vtec is coming to a close. He has most of everything welded, as you can see. It's all stitch welded up. He has all these panels in here. Most of them are tacked in, so he just needs to stitch weld this all around. He just needs to clean all of this off, and then he has most of this welded and up the back here stitch welded. There's a few panels that are gone in there now that have been done. This just needs to be closed off once it's done, because this is non-removable front. So this is all going to be one part. Once it's bodyworked, it's going to be absolutely immaculate. So just everything is stitched in. It needs full seam welding, but it's not a big job. Like Aaron will rock it out in a couple of days. So the Vtec is nearing completion with the welding, and then we're going to move on to bodywork. Then inside is going to be schultzed, underneath is going to be schultzed, and then it's going to be painted, well primed obviously after the bodywork. So it's getting there guys. It's going to be nice once done. Once the cab is done, it can be painted, the interior can be fitted, and then it can go onto the chassis. Now Reaper does have the chassis off that down in his place. It's fully redone, it's painted black, but then after that is going to be a challenge, because he has a bed for the back of it. It's a pickup bed, but it's absolutely rotten. So I don't know what Aaron has planned for that, but obviously he's going to make a meal of it. He's going to make it look cool, because this is going to be a shop slash show truck for Reaper's business that he does want to open. It's just very hard with COVID going on and finding the premises and sorting all of that kind of stuff out. I'm in the same boat myself. I just have to register everything and get it sorted. It just literally is impossible at the moment, especially with me working a full-time job with the kids, and it's just nearly impossible. So yeah guys, what I'm going to do is I am going to absolutely rip this place apart. Lovely time lapse. I know you love watching me clean, so I'm going to spend about an hour and a half in here. I'm going to move the Vtec outside. I'm going to possibly move my Mini up to the front, and I'm going to clear all of this shite out of this garage, so it's a clean area for Aaron to come down and lacquer my parts. So yeah guys, enjoy the tunes and thanks for watching. So guys, still cracking on with the cleaning. Doesn't look like a lot got done, but there's a lot more floor space. We do have a bench again, so that's dead handy. I can close these shutters down below. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to grab all the tools. I'm going to move all the stuff that I put here in the way because it was over that side, and I'm going to pull the Mini back, and then I'm going to put the tools away, and then I'm going to head off, and we will be back down tomorrow. Aaron's going to come down and lacquer the bits, and hopefully Tuesday when we come back down we can fit everything to the car and then start wet sanding and get polishing. Right guys, that's enough for tonight. It's getting very late. It's actually getting dark out, so really means it's late. There's plenty left to do tomorrow. I'm going to come down, finish off cleaning this other side. As you can see, it's still a bit messy. Still loads of rubbish there. So I'm just going to bring Reaper's rig in, and then I'm going to hit the road. Right, that's Reaper's rig in. The Mini is pushed back. Everything is ready to clean up tomorrow. So it's probably going to be a long enough video full of time lapses and stuff. So I'll end the video here. I will do a 2-day video where I'll just join these two together and I'll put them out maybe on a Friday and a Saturday. Before I go, let's have a look at the Mini and how good she's looking. I have to say, I do really like the way she's sitting. The arch is on with the black bead, as you can see. That's the way it's going to be. It's going to be a bit shinier. Obviously, this needs to be lacquered. Then the whole car needs to be flattened down and polished. But I really do like it. I was going to get the front bumper permanently mounted tonight, but you know what? I'm going to finish off the garage tomorrow. Then I'm going to mount that, and then I'm going to cover the whole car so Aaron can then lacquer the bits and pieces that are over there. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you made it to the end, comment down below, say I made it to the end, and I'll pick a winner and I'll send out one of the new sticker packs that I have. I got Instagram in Urban Backstreet Garage stickers just for people who sign up for the Patreon and for people that spend €20 more on the website. So while we're here, I'm going to bang the stickers on the Mini's windows. Now that's a bit cleaner. Just give it a quick rub over with some window cleaner and a blade. So it's a bit cleaner. They do need to be polished as they are plexiglass, but the sticker's on, looks good. Windows are clean. Also done the back one, nice and clean. And this one around here, done with a new sticker on it, nice and clean. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, really do appreciate it. Smash that subscribe button if you are not subscribed. Give the videos a like and do hit that bell notification, keep up to date with the builds. So guys, thanks for watching once again, and peace out. What is up guys? It is the next day. I'm down here. Aaron was speaking in code earlier on, kept asking me when I was going to the garage. And it wasn't until I pulled up and opened the door to realise why. So, this is a 1994 CRX Del Sol with nice seats. Really nice seats. Big ass wheels. And I don't know if it's an SIR or a VTI, but brought the munchkin with me. She's helping me sweep. Good job. So I've done a bit of tidying up. There is a shitload of boxes over there full of B series parts, B series manifold, exhaust. There's a B16 head there. There's radiators, bits and pieces. I've no idea what is there. There's just loads of stuff from B series, but I've no idea. Did have no idea it's here. Have no idea what he's doing with it. No idea the plans, but I was with him earlier on and he kept bugging me about the K series swap I'm doing. So maybe he has a plan to do a K swap. No idea, but should we find out? So I have this corner over here all clean-ish. Push Reaper's yoke up there, left them there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give over here a quick tidy and get all this done. So that's all I'm going to do with the tidying up. Everything is moved out of the way. The CRX is either going there where the Mini is or where Reaper's rig is. My Mini is going to go up the front because it's nearly done. Just need to get everything lacquered over there. And then, yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to put the welders stuff away with the trolley and move it out of the way so we have more room. But yeah, that's it now for the video guys. I know I already said I'd end the video, but I thought I'd add this little bit in right at the end as a surprise because Aaron has a new build. It might take another 2 years to do, but do you know what? It's another build for the channel, the CRX Del Sol. I think it looks like an SIR, but it is what it is. Hopefully he's going to do something stupid with it. So yeah guys, once again, thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, keep up to date with the builds and surprise builds. Hit that like button and smash that notification button to keep up to date with the builds. So peace out and see you in the next one. Be dedicated guys. Peace.